You might be wondering that you have put a lot of effort into YouTube because you want to develop your own personal brand to become so magnetic that people just listen to whatever the things that you want to say. But here's the thing. You might be thinking that if you post your videos on YouTube today, you become famous, you get more clients. But in reality, it's not. And I'll tell you the truth. This is based on my own experience. This is based on my own experiments in my daily life, in how I grow my business. And the thing is that everything need to start somewhere. And if you are thinking that there's a lot of YouTubers out there that are just making a lot of views in their first videos, this is actually not true. Because those YouTubers actually have a lot of experience. They have a good mentors. They know how to get things right. And that is not their first channel. Believe me. Otherwise, they will just stay there forever, just like you. No. In order for you to become so productive, in order for you to become so magnetic in a way that people just listen to whatever things that you want to say, you need to show up more, isn't it? And I'll tell you the truth. If you really want to monetize your channel and have the impact of 1,000 subscribers, then you need to understand this little statistic. And this statistic is actually shared by VidIQ, by Nick Herman, a lot of YouTubers out there. Average channel that actually being monetized means that they have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. It's actually a channel that produce more than 100 contents. Wow, 100 content. Can you just imagine that? I know that you're just going to give up. But let me tell you this. It's so easy for you to make 100 contents. Just 10 minutes per day, you can just make 100 contents for 100 days forwards. Now, when I say that you need to make videos every day, and people just say that it's crazy, man, it's so crazy. What do you think, I'm a robot? But let me tell you this, I've done this a couple of times. I've made a Faceless YouTube channel, I have 3 Faceless YouTube channel, and I produce content every day. And this is my first channel that actually I challenge myself just to be in front of the cameras because I'm introvert. I'm 37 years introvert guy who just afraid and shy to talk to the cameras. But I want to do this because I want to challenge myself. I want to make it happen. Because if I can make a Faceless YouTube channel by uploading daily videos for 90 days straight, and within 100 days I've been monetized, it just shows the impact that what it can be done if you just focus on the efforts. If you have this goal set in your mind that you want to monetize, why it matters? To me, being monetized is not just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Because I learned not to adapt, not to rely on additional revenues. I learned about how to give impact to people. I learned about how to share people information that I love the most, that I feel passionate, that I want to see your growth. So in this channel, I just want to help to grow your personal brand. I know that in life, sometimes you are an expert in your field, expert in your business, but when it comes to social media, you're very weak. You don't know what to do. You think that it's so easy to do. But whenever the time comes for you to record the videos, you become so stagnant. You become so stagnant, you become so unnatural, you become so awkward, you become so shy and afraid to talk to the cameras. Why is that? It's because he doesn't learn the skill. He doesn't know how to talk to the cameras. And that's why I built this channel, to help you to overcome your fears and introverts. To build a personal brand, you need to focus on the things that matters. To be able to monetize on YouTube, you need to focus on the things that matters. And why is that? You just need to produce a lot of videos. You just need to produce a lot of videos that actually resonate with your audience. Be relatable to your audience. That's it, man. That's it. Be relatable to your audience in terms that people just binge watch all your contents. People just love the way that you talk. People just love the positive energy that you pour into your videos. People can just relate with that, you know? If you speak something's negativity, people just have these negative feelings. But if you speak about positivity, and you want those positivity to come across in your videos, people can feel that. Even though there's a lot of people that are saying that in videos, the energy that you pour into the videos actually just get across 50%. That's true. Because the energy that you portray in your cameras, when you talk to the cameras, actually the energy that you portray to your audience is less than that. And because that, it's very important for you to learn how to build a personal brand that's become so magnetic in a way that people just listen to whatever the things that you want to say. Just imagine this. If you have a business and you have a personal brand that's so successful, whenever you want to launch a new product, people just lean towards you. Because of what? Because you're building your brand with your personal embedded into it. Not just your business. Because people love to connect with people. People love to be related to people. And that's what makes us humans. Because we aspire to be like somebody else. We want to be like somebody else. Even though in this world there's a lot of things that AI can do. But eventually, if you ask anybody, they doesn't want to say that I want to become like ChatGPT. No. But they will say that I want to become like Muhammad Ali. I want to become like Barack Obama. I want to become like Donald Trump. Why is that? It's because they are a normal human being that actually existed on this planet and inspire people to become very good in whatever things that you want to do. That's what matters, isn't it? That's what matters to your personal brand. When you have a business and when you want to be able to launch a new product and be relatable to your audience, whatever the things that you want to sell, you can sell it because people trust you, and that's what matters. When you develop a personal brand, you need to know that the output is actually trust, and trust beats price every time, and that's so true. I learned that in this world, sometimes you don't know what to talk. Not just that, because you are so afraid to appear in front of the cameras. You have so much knowledge, but when it comes to talking in front of the cameras, you suddenly become don't know the things that you want to talk. Even though you have 20 years of experience in the industry, but when it comes to the cameras, you feel very awkward, isn't it? I get it. If you watch my first video, you know how sucks I am. But today, I just improve myself 1% every day. And I'm not going to say that I'm a very good speaker, but actually I learned how to be a very good speaker. I learned how to appreciate myself. And when I learn about all those things that actually make myself weak and strong, I can become the person that I want to become. To be the person that actually helps you to go along the journey. Because I believe that if you just transform your life and build your personal brand to become so magnetic in a way that people just listen to whatever the things that you want to say, then it's so easy for you to make sales. Then it's so easy for you to close deals. Then it's so easy for you to find more leads to your business. Isn't that fantastic? I know you want to do it. Just do it. Just spend 10 minutes per day to record the videos and just upload it on YouTube and see what it makes in 100 days. Just imagine this. One video per day. For 100 days, you have 100 worth of content. And people just love to listen to whatever they want to say. And why that matters? It's because when people just listen to you, when people just watch you, they will just be automatically invested in you. And when they're invested in you, you will get the upper hand because they trust you. And this is time for you to make the sales. Get going.